babysitter. I just got to my first client's house. It is noon, so let's go in and say hi to Carter. Take that phone off. Just left Carter, and now I am here at Dodge's house. Dodge. Do you want a stick? I can't believe people pay me for this. I would do this for free.